If you are watching this video, congratulations and welcome to your new profession as a Hittite temple kitchen staff member. You have been provided with an instruction booklet, Instructions for Priests and Temple Personnel, written by King Tudalia. The Hittites are very religious folk. God-fearing, perhaps, is a better way to put it. But today is not about that. It is about you and your training. So let the training begin. To be worthy of serving the gods their culinary offerings, you need to be unblemished. The first mandate is that you should be washed and groomed, grooming being specified as having trimmed hair and nails. Very good. Being washed means not entering the kitchen or temple after laying with a woman. If you perform your natural obligation, you must do so only after you feed the gods. Then you may go with the woman. However, by the time the sun comes up, you must bathe and appear punctually for your post. Why aren't you doing anything? Dry spell? Ah, understood. Let us move on. Second, your clothing must be pure. Indeed, that is much more pure than what you were wearing before. Third, your workspace must be swept and sprayed. Fourth, no pig or dog should be allowed to set foot in the kitchen door. Put it down. Good. Furry beasts will not be tolerated. Those are the rules for now. You may be asking yourself, what happens if I don't do these things? What if I go in ungroomed, unwashed, after laying with a woman, in a state of pollution, impure with a dog, and also do not purify my workspace? Well, then we will kill you per the instructions of King Tudalia. If your friend or coworker knows the truth of your filth and conceals it, he too shall be put to death. So with those rules out of the way, do you feel ready to start cooking? Yes, you are ready, but not ready to prepare the sacred loaf of the gods because that involves lard, and lard is sacred pursuant to Article 90 of the Hittite Law Code. But you are ready to prepare a side dish. We have provided you with the ingredients courtesy of a sacked Syrian village. Chickpeas, cucumbers, herbs, an onion, garlic, lemon, and salt. First, you must cook your chickpeas or lentils. Mash them up. Then you must chop your cucumber, parsley, small onion or spring onion, and garlic. Take the chopped things, juice half of a lemon, salt it, and mix it with the beans. Let it sit for a few minutes to marinate, and then feed the people who do the work of the gods. Congratulations, you have prepared your first and last Hittite dish. Unfortunately, the presence of the dog in the temple kitchen was unforgivable, and you must be sacrificed to the gods. Farewell.